My name is Marissa Sistrunk, and I'll be discussing 21st century teaching and learning and how it is promoted through instructional technologies. 21st century skills include life and career, learning and innovation, information, media, and technology. Life and career skills include being flexible and being able to adapt to different changes, taking initiative and having self-direction, social and cross-cultural skills, and being able to work with others, being productive while also being accountable, and being a leader while also having responsibilities. Learning and innovation skills are the 4 C's, so thinking critically and problem solving, being able to communicate, being able to collaborate with others while also being creative and having those creativity skills. Information, media, and technology skills include information literacy and media literacy. So being able to access and evaluate information while also analyzing media and creating media products. So in order to promote these skills through instructional technology, students need to be empowered learners. Well, they need to be given the opportunity to be all these things. So being able to take an active role in choosing, achieving, and demonstrating what they want to reach in their learning goal, being a digital citizen and recognizing the rights and responsibilities and opportunities they have in our digital world, being a knowledge constructor and using those different tools to produce different creative artifacts and making those meaningful learning experiences, being an innovative designer by using a variety of technologies to solve problems, a computational thinker by understanding and solving problems in ways that use different technology to develop and test solutions, as well as being a creative communicator and being able to clearly express themselves through different platforms or tools and digital media that go along with their learning goals. And then being a global collaborator and being able to work with others, whether that's locally or globally, to enrich their learning. So it's very important that students are provided opportunities to do these things in their learning and in their classroom. And technology is exactly how we do that. And these are the references. Thank you.